How to set up Amazon Prime Video PIN. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. In order to set up the Amazon Prime Video PIN, you cannot do it through the mobile app. So you have to access the Amazon Prime Video website through your browser. On your browser, search for Amazon Prime Video and navigate to its website. After you are in the website, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. Now, in order to set up the PIN for your account, you need to go to your profile settings. At the top right corner, you can see your profile icon. Tap on it. You can see all the list of the profiles that you have created before. And over here, you can see this manage profile icon. Tap on it. Now scroll down to the bottom. Here you can see edit profile option. Tap on it. Now you can select the profile where you want to set up the security PIN. Just tap on the profile. Now you will be prompted to this page. Over here you can see this profile PIN and locks option. Tap on it. From here you can create the PIN for this profile. Tap on this field. You have to enter the 5-digit PIN. Once you are done, tap on this done button at the bottom. And there you go. That's how you can easily set up the Amazon Prime Video PIN for your profile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.